girl and she wants me to duke her. I told her I'll come scoop her around 8. She said, that sounds great. Shorty girl's a trooper. No matter what I need her to do, she be like. I got this girl and she wants me to duke her. I told her I'll come scoop her around 8. She said, that sounds great. Shorty girl's a trooper. No matter what I need her to do, she be like.
Now we need to get 100%. After that, we have to resolute it.
I got this girl and she wants me to duke her. I told her I'll come scoop her around 8. She said, that sounds great. Shorty girl's a trooper. No matter what I need her to do, she be like.
He got it. Where's the GTA apartment, bruh? We need to find it. Yo, is this a... We unlocked a new set. We unlocked almost the whole map. Or we hit a good amount.
Yo. Where are we?
I don't know.
Yo.
Yo, who in the tub? Shower stream at 20 likes. Clyde shower stream. I'm recording, by the way. Wait, Clyde. We found the kits. Oh, Clyde. I'm putting in the code. Don't worry. Bro, what is that? That's so weird. Look at how this is laid out. Behind this.
Hola, mi amigo. This is my bathroom toilet.
I'm gonna go into the little kids area. Yeah, this is like, look it.
Yo, this is bigger than my
The
bathroom.
potty. I like how I said that too. What the heck? Oh, who needs to use the bathroom, bro? Clyde, I dare you to sit down on that. Clyde, I dare you to sit down on that. Also, before this, y'all, we went to the fan fest in the Sutter Health Park. We were still in that area. You tried to punch me and attack me. No, I got it. I want it to be on my phone at least. I'm good at commentary. Wait, Clyde, don't forget the code.
Oh yeah.
I put in that one. Wait. I don't think it worked. Glad you got that right. Just put it in the bathtub. Okay, guys, we need to watch. Oh God, we're good. We have to do it for somebody.
You can pause it.
I'm not pausing it. Trust me, I'm not. Bro, we have to finish all of these. We got the Russian. Here, you do these ones. I got this one. We should have it all done.
This place is insane.
There's a worker.
Massive.
We should hit a worker.
This place is massive.
Remember, we're eventually gonna have to hit the lower level. We're on the second level right now.
I think we're in the third. I don't know where we are.
No, we're in the 8th.
I honestly don't know where we are in the store.
I don't either. All I know is that we're in a place with a lot of sinks.
Wait.
This is going on
Signage.
TikTok, so this could be taken down if you say anything random. Just letting you know. I'm gonna pause it real quick. What are these? Why is there plates in the bathroom? Yo.
It's real.
No, I thought it was fake. Yo, let me get the butter. Let me get the butter.
You're recording horror, by the way.
By the way, I don't care. Start the toaster.
I think I'm moving out. I'm gonna get your video copyrighted.
I'm on TikTok. You don't know my username. Oh crap.
It's not Fanny or something.
No, it's not.
Bro, you're leaving all the holes in there.
Yeah, it makes it work better.
gotta do this, man.
We almost just got caught by a worker. We're cooked. Dinner's almost ready.
Look at this.
Bro has the power. What the heck?
I'm getting locked in the closet again.
Yay!
Yo,
Man, we need to get some hooten. Yeah, we're back. Sorry if this is too short of like snippets. I'm trying to record the best I can without looking at the phone because it makes me die. We need to make our way back to like bed. We need to find the San Andreas. We need to find the freaking GTA. How many GTA apartment?
Yo, we are lost.
Why did that take me like 8 times? We're back to the chairs. We were just here. Look it, we're in the chairs.
What?
What? What? Nine. What?
Nasa unda cola, yeah?
I don't want a water or cola.
Yo.
They're gonna be so confused.
Milk window cola.
You said,
Yeah. Pizza. Thank you.
bro, where are we?
Yo.
Michael Jordan. What?
Yo, I found
Man, I'll take the Unga bunga. Take 5.
We gotta build a base in IKEA.
Oh yeah, frickin'. Yeah, 2008.
This is literally.
No, it's 2038.
This is literally.
Bro, we need to find. What's so sad?
Real quick.
You say you're gonna touch your breast?
No, I'm resting,
We
chat.
got the
My legs hurt.
Anyways, we're gonna take a minute. And we're back upstairs. Who's cooking the Chinese again? Oh, look at the Chinese.
Yo, we might.
First broke it. No, wait.
Yo.
That's not very nice, though.
We found GTA apartment.
We found the GTA apartment. Hey, yo. I'm about to go to the pool.
Wait a minute.
Whoa.
Yo, this is it.
We made
I
it.
honestly thought.
We made it. We made it. Bro,
Yo, we found
we've
the
been
stairs.
spotted. We've been spotted, but I think we got a clean slip from here. Glad I think we hit all of the above stairs. We hit everywhere on top.
Cool.
We hit 50. We hit 50%.
No, this one. This one.
I'm not going there.
Go out once I get that one.
Am I going there?
Yeah, and you go up there.
Yo, we hit the front. We got the exit.
Yo, let's go. There's even more.
Clyde. I need water so bad. Anyways, I'm gonna pause it for now. Oh my gosh, no, it's different.
Oh, then I might know where the
Yeah.
beds are.
Yeah. We need to find what the what?
You'll be dead by daylight.
Wait, were we just here? I swear we were just here. Yeah, we were just here.
Yo, what?
If we go over there,
What's
we'll end up to
that?
bedrooms. If we go over there, we'll end up to bedrooms.
we go? Oh my gosh, we were just here. Yo,
Hmm?
follow the arrows. Follow the
here.
arrows.
No.
Follow the arrows.
We found kitchens. Bro, we just made a loop.
Yo, follow the arrows. Come on.
Follow the arrows. We really have to find that exit. Imagine it's just a loop too. God, imagine it's a loop.
We're actually making it.
We're actually making a loop. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That's pretty nice.
Then go chat.
Wait, we were just here. If we go that way, we'll find more bedrooms. We hit it. Ugh. Clyde. Okay.
This place is so big.
Okay. We hit a We were just here. I remember this. It's a gay one.
Oh, cool.
Yes. We didn't get a picture of that earlier. Olivia and Emily over here. If I ever randomly go silent, it means that the people working near me. Clyde. Yo!
It's EXIT.
What?
EXIT. We might. Yo, I remember.
Wait!
That place.
Oh yeah, I know where we are. We're right next to the food court. Food court's right
Yes, we made it.
Sorry if the shaky, because I'm working this.
Yo, I found the map.
We need to find our way out of here.
So we're like somewhere over here, right?
I don't think this is gonna work.
And then we go from here to here, and we find the exit there.
Okay.
Or we go here.
And then we go to
All the
this
way-
guy's forehead.
No.
And then we'll make it to here.
Then we. Oh, this is where we are. Never mind. I had the wrong idea.
Yeah.
So we're like somewhere over here. Like I'm gonna guess like there. And then we go from there to there to there. And then we go somewhere down here and go there.
We might end up right here though, because that's like near the exit, but it's also like it's a maze.
Oh yeah.
Yo, what do I do if the Minecraft don't Minecraft and the Minecraft
Oh, no.
Minecraft? Dories! I want to rip that out so bad. Is there something on the other side? Nope,
Dory's insane, bro.
Just Dory. Secret password?
I think what?
Oh, my fault. I was just recording when I was laying down. Hey, we about to make a drink. He went up here. We had a complete 100%, which is the main.
We did heavy faucet, which we did.
Yep.
Our another side quest was sit on the top part.
Yeah, he did it.
Our main quest was to.
Get 100%.
Oh, and then the other main quest after we got 100% was get out.
I think
But
we
like,
finished.
We've only gotten like 50%.
We hit all of the top at least.
Yeah, so 100% basically.
100% top, 0% bottom.
Or like
What the
5% bottom.
Yeah, 5% bottom. Cause the exit.
Where we go?
Where? Just follow the arrows. It'll take us home. Look at it. I'm following the arrows. Arrow number 1 or 2. Bro left me. I'm so scared.
Yeah, I do.
Disappeared. Bro literally disappeared. I'm breaking 3D. I'm going outside. Oh, they locked it. Yeah, this is a W setup. I don't know where we are. He left me. What are you doing?
Yo.
Let's
come-
go. We're on the
Yo, look
balcony.
outside,
It's
look-
so
look. Yeah, we're
beautiful.
on these balconies, bro.
Oh my God, we in Sacramento. Wow.
Oh yeah, we are.
You look that cool. Anyways, we're gonna keep walking.
Yo, you should walk through the wall.
Yeah, I walked through the wall. That's how I am.
Yo, we're in our living room now, guys.
Hey, who y'all think is gonna win, Poland or Sweden?
At least it's not German, or at least it's not. Oh, look, Nigeria. And
Oh my gosh!
Germany.
Oh my gosh!
What?
Yeah. Ooh, some chips. Hey y'all, today we're gonna be going upstairs.
Yo, let me beat.
Aw.
Yo, I'm gonna go do the side quest.
What side quest?
You know exactly.
Glad, should we just count that as 100% since there's nothing underneath it?
There's more underneath us, bro.
No, but this is just a showroom. You can't.
There's more underneath us.
Should we go underneath us then?
Yeah, look. Yo, I'm gonna complete a side quest.
Oh.
Oh my god, there's a superintendent right there.
Yeah, we're redoing the side quest. If he does it, we already did it. Wait, can you remind me what all the side quests is? It was 100% not get caught and get up there.
We almost did get caught. Actually, I could go undercover.
We didn't get caught though.
Yeah, we didn't get caught, but like they saw
We
us.
could swap shirts
Hey, what's
And
up,
hat.
my family?
and hat.
Yeah, no, I think all we need to do is swap.
I don't know how to get out of here either, so I'm pretty much cooked. Yeah, here we are. No way. We found it. Gaming. Woohoo! Yeah, I found him, but like,
Yo,
I'm still kind of lost. I'm sure if you're in the comments saying, just follow the arrow. Yeah! Back up! Stay back! Gonna grab my... Stay back! Stay back! You have a weapon. You have a weapon. Yeah, we keep kind of stuck in here. Clyde, there's a worker. There's a worker. There's a worker. They're not there, but they're right here. They're watching us. We're so good. Turtle? Wait, you can drift it. Yo, we have like a 4-star water level. And PS4. Bro, he threw that ball. If you didn't see it, I was recording that day. But like, he threw the ball to Walker. They came back, walked right past us as we were talking about it. We were almost cooked. But then we went downstairs to hide. We went inside of like one of the stand things. I didn't record any of this stuff. But then he hits his head on this freaking fire thing. He's doing the dishes. And then you gotta wear the gloves, Maximus. Anyways. We have like a 6-star water level. We are so cooked.
Actually, I got an idea. Yo, look at this thing.
We were climbing, he hit his head on the thing, and then a dude walks by, and he said, I think y'all should be doing that. And it was a worker. We were cooked. We have like a 16-star one thing up on it.
Wake up. It's the first of the month. I brush my teeth and count up.